Ano ai vale. It's Kumaʻōlelo Noʻeau coming to you from Kahale Hoaka on the island of Molokai. Our Mana'o Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is E ai I kekahi, E kāpī I kekahi. Do it with me. Let's do it. Piece by piece. E ai I kekahi, E kāpī I kekahi. And what that translates to is eat one, salt one. If you look at the picture here, you'll see different types of i'a, or seafood from the ocean that's being dried out on the line, old Hawaiian style, where it was rubbed with pōʻakahi or salt and left out to dry in the sun. And the idea behind this is that sometimes the catch would be so big, yeah, we would have to go share with the neighbors, the community, but we also would make sure there was always some for later. And so we eat some fresh, puke style, however you're gonna make it, and then you salt some and dry some for later. You don't wanna just overindulge. You always wanna make sure that everybody have, and we have some for later. So let's do it all together from the top. E ai I kekahi, E kāpī I kekahi. Maikaʻi. Our ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say, come over here. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. E hele mai. Really good one to know. Again, when you're telling someone to do something, you're giving them instruction, you start the sentence out with e. And then what are you asking them to do? Hele. Hele means to go. But are they going there or here or where are they going? By using the word mai after it, it tells the person to come towards me. So let's do it all together. E hele mai. Maikaʻi.